Good morning, friends. Enjoying our final day, day 3, out on the beach. We check out tomorrow at 10. So they have the cabanas and the umbrellas. The cabanas are $45 a day, and they take them down, seem like about 5 o'clock. And the umbrella and 2 chairs are $35 a day. And you can check out towels at the hotel or at the resort. And we're just out here until they ask us for money because we're not paying $45 a day. I'm actually going back out deep sea fishing today with my free ticket. And we'll give you some footage of that. And the youngster is staying in, enjoying the room, since that seems to be all he wants to do is chill in the room. He's here with me now, though. And we're chilling out on the beach. Get our toes in the sand, get them wet in the beach, in the salt water. And then I'll go off to my 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. fishing charter. Hopefully, I'll have better luck on those fish today. And that's the vacation. After yesterday, getting spanked at the Hard Rock and thrifting a little bit. And tomorrow, we're taking a slow ride back because I did see a community on my way in a smaller town where they build big, nice block houses. They were cement block houses and large yards, even with RV parking garages and things of that nature. So I might, if I can find it again on my way back, I may go ahead and stop through there and see if I can look at a model and show you, because that is interesting that you can still find communities where they're building cinder block houses that will withstand the hurricanes in Florida. So, and that was like I say, I don't know where I was. I might have been Ocala area or something like that. I remember it was right before a turnoff. So, hopefully I can find it again and show you guys. If not, we'll take a ride back and look, see the sights, and stop at a fruit stand and get some fresh produce on the way home. Support the locals and take a nice relaxing ride back, because it is a little over 4 hours for us. So stay tuned. Whoa! I do not want to fall. Sand in the toes, enjoying the cold water. Oh, it's so cool. Watch the waves crashing. Oh, my. Oh. Ugh. So here is the end of our vacation. We are pulling out of Clearwater. Look at this view on Highway 60 headed out. It is so beautiful. We had a great time. We enjoyed ourselves. It is so nice to be able to experience vacations. Got another one coming I'll also, maybe do a Q&A in the comments. You ask any questions, I'll be able to kind of tell you about this timeshare thing, how you can get them for cheap. And basically, you can have a monthly payment plan on your vacations because of the maintenance fees. But it is so worth it. And I wouldn't go and do a presentation and pay $20,000-$30,000 for one. But if you can get one for $1,000 or $2,000, it's worth it. So I'll be doing a Q&A on that in the comments. I'll be answer what I can, and if not, whatever. You can also find, people online that will book for you. You just got to be leery of who you trust, but they'll book them for you and charge you a fee. Or you can sometimes book them on other vacation booking sites. So it's a good way to travel, because we only ate out one time. We ate one meal out, and it was the Hulk Hogan's. Well, we ate two. I ate the burrito tacos, which that's cheap. That was like $12-$15. And then we ate out at Hulk Hogan's, and I'm not into the $20 hamburgers. I just really am not. And I ordered like a seafood pasta, and for $32, and they gave me 3 scallops, 3 shrimp, and a little thin piece of grouper filet over some pasta and a salad and 2 pieces of bread. Well, 1 piece of toast cut in half, garlic toast. So, I'd rather cook. I'm not into the food these days. Food does not taste like it used to for me. For some reason, it's not like I'm really getting some meals that I would say, oh, I want to go back there. I'm not getting that these days. So it's just not in my wheelhouse anymore to sit down and spend $60 every time we sit down to eat and be dissatisfied. So I enjoy being able to cook my own meals in the condo. Even though I'm on vacation, I don't mind cooking. But some people may, but I'm not into it. But other than that, we did enjoy the vacation, enjoy our toes in the sand. Even though that walk back, trying to walk in sand just to get back to your destination is not cool. That was a very bad idea. And I regretted trying it. But other than that, it was very, very fun, very beautiful, relaxing vacation. And can't wait to do it again, because there's another one coming, another 2 or 3 coming this summer. So we stay rolling, we stay moving. So we'll keep you included in those adventures. Hope you like our vacation and travel blogs. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Now I gotta get back to this garden. Next video I will be harvesting potatoes, and if I get home in daylight enough, I may need to do that today. So I'm gonna harvest potatoes in totes this week, and I'll probably have a couple of more short harvests, because I have 3 tubs full of them. So I'll have 3 harvests of potatoes, so we can see how they performed in those totes and what kind of harvest we get out of those. So thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.